The holiday cooks had almost made it to the Golden Tomato Patch, but as they were sailing down the Milky River, it turned into rapids.
That was fun!
Gilly, look! We made it! There's a golden tomato!
Wow, would you look at that?
It's beautiful!
Halt! Who dares to approach my golden tomato patch?
We're the holiday cooks. We're always looking to share our cooking. We need a golden tomato to save our town's Harvest Day feast.
I'm Nani Tomato Seed, guardian of the Golden Tomato Patch.
Are you gonna ask us a riddle?
Yes. Can you name 2 foods that are red and have seeds?
We'll need your help. Which of these has seeds and is red? The lime or the watermelon? That one! The watermelon! Right!
Now, which of these is red and has seeds? The radish or the apple?
Right there! The apple!
Right! That's 2 fruits that are red and have seeds.
Thanks for your help!
Excellent work. This golden tomato is yours.
Thank you! Thanks, Bubble Puppy! We'd better get this back to Tall and Daisy, and fast!
Thank you, Nani Tomato Seed.
Happy Harvest Day.
Hear ye, hear ye! The holiday cooks are back! And they've got the biggest golden tomato I've ever seen. Don't worry.
Be right back.
Oh, boy.
Come on, everybody.
Oh, come on, y'all. We gotta see.
Wow! You got a golden tomato.
Still! There's no time to waste. Let's get cooking.
Smells delicious. Oh, Daisy is my favorite little ox, ready for her favorite little stew.
Little? It's giant Harvest Day stew, Daisy.
Go ahead. Take a bite.
Stew? Oh, I think Daisy wants to share her stew with everyone.
I love She wants to share her stew.
Of course. Harvest Day is all about sharing.
Let's get back to town with our new friends. It's not too late for the Harvest Day feast. Come on, everyone.
Come on, everybody.
I've never had stew.
Enjoy. Oh, that's delicious. You can really taste the golden tomato.
You can ask your parents to subscribe to Nick Jr.'s Bubble Guppies YouTube channel for new videos every week. And find more of your favorite shows on Nickelodeon.